right, so I went away this weekend so that this guy here could
Typical mom.
get ready. I went to Washington and went to the Tulip Festival while Dwayne and Callan are putting in rock lights. Right? What else did you do this weekend?
And just bolt check, really. Oh, we put a new master cylinder in too.
Nice. So are we ready to go?
No, but we're going to. Dwayner's
we're gonna make it happen.
Dwayner's finishing up the winch install.
Just gonna
Because
go
that
ahead
one
splice
took a dump when we needed it most, when we got stuck in the snow. Pretty typical.
Wait, what happened? I don't remember this.
Yeah. Remember? That's why we were stuck, babe.
When we were stuck up on Castle Rock.
Just absolutely beautiful up here, isn't it, Dwayne?
It's beautiful. I love this snow.
Yeah, we just went ahead and brought the kids up here, get up in this high altitude, and then we took a hard left. It's all good.
Well, yep, we're just getting ready. We're gonna leave Thursday night. Car show weekend, which hasn't happened.
In 2 years.
2 years since COVID, so we're super excited.
Whoa.
And
She's excited
this
too.
is gonna be her 4th time to Moab. Is that right? 4th time.
Sounds good.
I gotta go get her dressed so that we can go for a ride.
Yikes! Yeah, dude. Oh, she's flexing. There you go. Keep coming. Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna drive off of it. Turn this way. Turn this way. There you go. It's fine. Slow. like a professional. We're leaving at dark.
At 9 p.m. We didn't think we were gonna leave because Clint was waiting on a drive shaft and the FedEx guy came and said he'd be back and he didn't.
FedEx sucks. Moral of the story.
Yes.
Use UPS.
And Clint had 24 minutes to get there and he made it, so we're actually leaving at 9 p.m. Where are we going?
Be a late night.
Moab. We're going to Moab. I kept the babies up all day so they'd sleep the whole way.
I'm gonna sleep the whole way.
Alright, these guys are switching.
Dude, I'm gonna help you sleep the whole way.
I don't know what that means. I like it.
Alright, we have some friends meeting us. Brayden and Alicia, and we have, is Joe on his way?
I think Joe is
gonna make it, and our brother Clint and Aubrey and their friend. We're gonna have a good time.
Let's do it.
Alright, bye.
Swing that thing
Hi, little gigglers over there. I heard you guys giggling last night.
You're a freaking child.
We're in love. I know, she was terrible. That's why we gotta do this more often. She needs to get used to sleeping in unfamiliar settings. Alright. We woke up. We're in Moab. When did you decide, Joe, to come?
9 8:47.
Oh my gosh, what brought you to Moab today?
It was just the good times.
Alright.
Mostly the rocks.
What trails are you wanting to run?
Anything but Metal Masher, pretty much.
Was Metal Masher disastrous?
No, it's just dumb.
Oh
We
no.
can do it if you guys want to.
Wait, Clint, why did we come?
I don't know. I got sandblasted all night.
Oh, there's enough room for the whole dang Spanish Army.
Yeah, Hey Joe, this view is so good. Like your hair's blowing the wind.
Yep.
There's sun in the back.
Yeah, I'm actually I'm an influencer now. You could buy my fit tee for $399 a month.
$3.99 a month. That's not bad.
Yep, that's a dang steal of a deal.
Oh hey, there's our other friends. How'd you guys sleep last night?
Like absolute shit.
What time did we roll in?
I'm the only one that slept good.
It was like
Yeah, it was
we
like
went to bed. It was like 2
2 a.m. But we're all up and we're super excited. We might need to convince Joe that we want to run Metal Masher.
We're running Metal Masher now.
Anyways,
fall asleep.
we're here. Oh, morning kisses.
Why is it
Hey Harley, you ready for some rusty nail?
She's like, heck no.
Very pretty. Got Brayden over here, Alicia, Ryan, and Blake. She is set to go. This California mom over here is freezing. We're gonna have some fun today. Where are we going, Dwayner?
Go hit Rusty Nail.
Rusty
Hopefully we
Nail.
don't get tetanus.
Yep. Rusty Nail, here we come. Do you like Uncle Clint's Jeep? Oh boy. She is out. This is what happens when you bring your kids. It's actually not that hard. They just pass out when you go wheeling.
That's a
Common mod?
Yeah,
Shut up.
they love it. It's just
Do I need to back up more? Let's pull your hub. Maybe. Let's pull your hub.
I don't know what happened, but I think they're
Back
done.
up like. Not as bad as it looks.
Let's see.
Remember how we were talking about spare shafts like 8 minutes ago? Did you happen to have a spare shaft?
no.
Oh.
We're gonna go.
Wait, what are you talking about?
Sins.
Oh, okay. Clint, can you tell us what happened here again?
It's a trap. He says it's a trap. I can't tell you.
It's a trap, huh?
No. first obstacle. Ended up breaking the ears
All
off.
right, Joe, can you give us a play-by-play real quick? What are we doing?
All right, step one. We're taking the tan turtle, the politically correct name. We're gonna put it right here, and then we're gonna have its tire approximately here.
Okay.
X marks the spot.
Okay.
The vehicular device will come in about 45 degrees and point
45
in
out of 90.
90 degrees to Clint's vehicle.
Okay.
Pull up on the tire so we're all flexilated, but so that my winch is elevated above the tire. We're gonna tree strap that, Johnny. Winch her straight up. Pull the tire off. Pull it. Step shaft out.
All right. And Clint's gonna find parts in town, right,
Hopefully,
Clint?
maybe, probably. What?
You're gonna find a part in town.
Oh, I'm gonna do this in three-wheel drive.
Send it.
All right. That's the plan. Well, where are you guys all going?
So we're going on a nature hunt.
So fun. Okay, you guys, have fun. Be safe. I love you. I kind of like how you guys got this set up, you know? Resting on this rock right here. That's pretty good. Oh, yeah, that helps, Joe. Thanks. It's good. Nice.
Got more.
Snapped the drive shaft again and high centered it on those rocks, and it actually worked.
Okay.
And then they got the wheel off, and now they're gonna take all the other stuff off on the wheel so they can get to the U joint,
Oh.
and then they're gonna try and fix it.
Knowledge right here. And she made the first obstacle without braking. Like this guy right here.
You know what they say? Speed is
So-
He's happy late.
loving on it? Yeah. Oh, that's so nice.
It's nice. You just love bugs.
I bought a double female so I could bypass the whole tree.
What are you guys doing?
Fixing brakes.
Working hard.
What
Working on the
What happened to your brakes?
I broke them. They're breaking. They're broken brakes.
Banjo boat.
And you
See you later.
need brakes for the trail?
Yes.
Okay.
We got our pumper here.
Okay.
He's really good at pumping brakes.
All right.
We
One of the best in the
we had to
field.
look really long and hard for this guy.
Okay.
Look at that technique. Get in there close. You gotta see that technique.
2 feet.
2 feet. Because it's a double footer.
Okay. Nice, babe.
Thank you.
What are we running today? Oh, sorry, Joe.
Train on your mom.
Bridget,
Bridget?
Oh, sorry.
That's right.
We're doing Bridget?
No.
Oh,
We're doing Kane's Creek,
it's much easier.
then Car Show,
It's much easier.
and possibly Metal Masher.
If we can get these brakes done, Bridget.
Yep.
Hey babe, how many times have we been to Moab?
I have no idea.
We've been to Moab a lot, and we've never done Kane's Creek. But here we are at the trailhead. This one's crying. She's really ready to drink some milk.
I think she has enough sense.
But yeah, she got fried, so yeah, I'm sorry, sis.
Sorry, sis.
Anyways, we're excited to run Kane's Creek. Hey Clint,
What up, baby?
are you just like hanging out here?
You know it.
Clint's gonna be our video man today. That's right, taking our videos.
Yeah. Watch me.
All right, everyone, say hi.
What's up?
We haven't done Kane's Creek before, but Joe has.
I did like 6 years ago.
6 years ago, so hopefully we know where to
I
go.
know what we're doing.
He says he knows what he's doing and he goes like this. Anyways, all right, feeding the babies. We're about to. Our bed set up. Bath wipe over there. We had 2 poopy diapers.
3, actually.
This guy.
Sorry, there's 3.
That'd be so funny if she said that. That's a fake laugh, by the way.
Who's this?
Dude, look at this monkey out there.
Oh my gosh, who's this one?
Just puked.
Hopefully she didn't go find. Did she puke?
No, she like spit her chip out. It was like.
So what are we doing? We're all dressed up in these sweet outfits. Today is Sunday. We're gonna run Metal Masher today. Hopefully it goes quickly because tomorrow we got to work. Yep.
I'm just mashing on some chips and dip here.
Are we ready?
Bet you're pretty jealous.
What?
What are you filming? Little salty crawler, baby. Are you in a daze? Say hi.
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 Hey, how are ya?
Alright, well, remember my last video clip I talked about running Metal Masher? Did we do it?
We did not.
No. Because every party has to have a pooper.
I'm sick.
I think Callan's getting sick. Probably because we averaged every night like 6 hours of sleep. Probably. I feel bad. I don't know if Joe was excited or sad that we were leaving early. And Clint broke first day, so I mean there was that rig out, and Brayden and Alicia were leaving early too. So we have what?
What did we decide we were gonna name Clint's Jeep?
No, Clint's vehicle will be known as the camping rig, where it just sits at camp the whole time. And
We can just look at it.
yeah, it
It's
just looks
there.
at it, and people probably drive by and wonder why, you know, it's not out and about. And
You guys better just retake this whole video.
No, we are
no,
good
we're
editors.
gonna edit it, so it's good. Anyways, we only ran 3 trails, kind of sad, but we still had fun.
Yeah, it's fun.
It's just Kane's Creek, we didn't realize was.
Oh, Riley, it's mine! You just said we had fun.
Okay, we had fun.
Me and Tasha and
We
the kids
had
lots of fun.
We had lots of fun. The reason why I paused a little bit is only because I didn't realize Kane's Creek was going to be super pretty and scenic when we were really hoping for a lot of obstacles to do. Like, Metal Masher was on the list and that got off the list. So, anyways, Athens pretty awesome. It was her first legitimate wheeling trip. She went
So
to
fun.
Sand Hollow once, but that didn't really count because why didn't it count?
I don't think that was a real trail.
It was.
We were trying to do it like a trail breaker, so we only saw a little bit of it.
Well, this is really
Didn't even
shaky.
make it up very far.
Yeah, we couldn't make up that trail. It was in January and there was ice. It was hard to go far.
Yeah,
So
that's razors for the water is too deep.
yeah, so Afton's first legitimate trip would be this one, and she drove.
I remember how many else?
Pretty much
Like-
all of them on Rescue now. Well, yeah, the major ones, really. And so this guy back here is even more in love with this girl, which we're really happy about because she likes to go wheeling, and that's what's important in life. So, anyways, what was your thoughts of this trip?
It was fun. We're tired. We are very dirty, but we're happy.
Yeah, dirty, happy, we had fun wheeling with our kids.
good time.
Our kids are really dirty, like really gross.
Tasha has sugar in her.
Oh yeah, I have like blue bunny peeps in my hair, which is because Presley potty trained, and to get her going the potty, I brought the little potty camping with us, and so she went, but in order to go, she gets a little Peep Blue Bunny candy, which they're so gross, but she likes them. And so it's in my hair somehow, probably from this one back here. But yeah. Anyways, next trip, hopefully we'll be going to Vernal. We just gotta convince the responsible adult in our marriage to take a break from our yard and our basement. So, alright guys. Any thoughts, Dwayner? Nothing.
Too tired to think.
No
Oh,
thoughts.
okay. How about you, babe? This guy didn't drive. He's just a dad sitting in the back seat now, you know? He's letting the kiddos drive. The kiddos right here. These
Driving
two.
right now.
And
Driving right now.
He's driving again. This doesn't count. He didn't wheel, but we'll be wheeling Blue here shortly, and then we'll have Grandpa's S10. Hopefully they'll come out on some trails. So we'll see. See how Grandpa does. That's another story. Anyways, alrighty.
Salty crawlers out.
Salty crawlers are out. Follow us. If you want to see some cool wheeling videos of our family
With kids.
with kids, and that one.
If you don't, you're.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our Moab trip. We just got home. Unfortunately, we broke some stuff down there. Front axle just got toasted on us. Basically on the first obstacle. It was pretty funny. So please like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram under Salty Crawlers, and let us know what you think. Until next time, we'll see you later.